Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to replace the battery in your Volkswagen. A lot of the newer Volkswagens need the battery to be programmed. This is my old battery. It comes with a BIM sticker. My new battery does not come with a BIM sticker, so I will have to input the information available on the label here. So first, disconnect the battery terminals. There are several that need to be disconnected. Once the battery disconnected, you can unbolt it from the chassis. I removed the old battery, and before placing the new battery in, I made sure that my cables and wires were out of the way so as not to damage them. Next, you have to program the battery. I used VCDS. I went into the CAN gateway, which is module number 19. I then selected adaptation. In here you can search for battery. It will limit the options that you have so you can more easily find what you're looking for. There are various options in here for battery type, battery technology, manufacturer, serial number, and capacity. The new battery that I have is of the same capacity. I did not change it. If you have a bigger battery, you could change the capacity. This is important to change the capacity if you have a bigger battery, so that the battery management system can charge it effectively. I also changed my battery from EFB to an AGM style battery, so I had to change that. And I had to change the manufacturer name. Typically you put the 3 first letters of the manufacturer in there. And lastly is the serial number. By default it comes with a bunch of 1s. I just added a number 2 to indicate to the computer system that there is a new battery. Once that is complete, I exited out of the controller and started my car. You'll notice a lot of indicators in the car saying that there are faults. You just need to drive the vehicle slowly and all of the warnings should go away. That concludes this video.